Hello, this is Mary Lynn Van Sweeten with Partners in Technology. This video is going to show you how to invoice multiple sales orders on the same invoice. This isn't possible before Sage 100 2018 Service Update 3. So this is a very new feature, and I think a handy one and something that many clients have been asking for. I have created two sales orders, both of them for the same customer, and also an important note to the same ship to code. If it's not to the same ship to code, it's not going to work. So let's start out with creating an invoice number. And I'm going to choose my sales order. And I'm just going to come to the bottom of the list. We'll take the first one, number 207. And you'll see that a new little little icon lights up over here with the little green plus. Let's click on that. It's also showing me other orders that are available for this customer for this ship to address. I'm going to select sales order 208, and I'm also going to ask that they both be shipped complete. Let's see what happens. It's giving me a little warning that I need to verify the freight amounts on the total tabs. When I come to the lines, you'll see that I now have two different sales orders noted and two different customer POs. Now, I do want to make a point that when I had set these up, I had put in a customer PO for each one of them so I could see the difference, but I also had to modify my screen so that the sales order number and the customer purchase order number would show up, and I did that through Custom Office. If I click OK or Accept, and now print, let's see how the invoice looks slightly different. When I look at my invoice, you're going to see that the order number and the customer PO number is here down in the detail section. So here's my order with the two items on that order and the customer PO. Now, something that you might note in order number 208, you'll see that something came from two separate warehouses, one from warehouse 001 and the other item from warehouse 000. It didn't matter. But the most important thing is that the ship to code was the same. I'm going to go ahead and update this so that you can see that the daily sales reports is also slightly different. You see over here, here's my daily sales journal, and under order number, it says multiple. If I click over to the gross profit report, you'll see that here is the first order number that I had invoiced and the second order that I had invoiced. Once I update, you'll see that everything stays the same. Same process. Of course, my daily transaction register. Now, when I go over to accounts receivable and I go to invoice history inquiry, let's go find that invoice that we just created. And here it is right here, invoice number 10081, and you'll notice that the sales order says multiple. Now, I can't drill anywhere to see what the sales order is, but again, what I did is I went in and modified my window here in Custom Office to add the sales order number and the customer purchase order number. So I can easily see from invoice history inquiry which sales orders and the customer and associated customer PO numbers were associated with this invoice where the order number is multiple. I think it's a very nice, clean solution, certainly easy to use, provided you remember the order has to be to the same customer and the same ship to code. I did notice when testing that this is not available in shipping data entry. So this is if you are not using the shipping menu. Give it a try. I think you'll like it. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and you'll be notified each time we have a new posting. Thanks for watching.